All right, so let's take a look at MATIC. MATIC is honestly it's showing a really bullish pattern right now. Let me just make it clear for you guys. Right, so MATIC is forming what appears to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, left shoulder, the head, and now we are currently forming the right shoulder, right? And the measurement rule states that MATIC is due for at least a 57% upswing. But there's always buts. So I want you to, I want to explain that, what it means, right? On a lower time frame, as you can see, this is the right shoulder that is being formed here. It didn't actually go below the bodies of this candle here, which was a higher low that was formed here. So as long as MATIC doesn't close above this, and sweep the lows over here, collect the liquidity over here, I don't think this upswing that we're witnessing right now is will be sustainable, right? And as you can see, it's already the two bodies on the 4-hour time frame have closed below this resistance level at 1.47. So what I'm expecting MATIC to do right now is, although it is showing a buy signal, although MRI is flashing a buy signal on the 1-day time frame, I think we're going to see at least a bit of retracement to probably just below the 1.3 level here, or we could go all the way down to this level here, 1.25, which marks the formation, the bottom of the left shoulder here, around 1.25, right? So I am expecting MATIC to retrace at least to 1.3, 1.7, or if I'm extremely lucky, I might get a retracement down to 1.25 over here. Right. This is what I'm expecting. While it is possible, it may not actually occur, right? So I'm leaving a lot of stink bits down here for this particular setup right now. Yeah, so a breakout from this pattern would be a decisive, probably a daily close for me, just to be sure. Or if you want to risk it, probably a 4-hour candlestick, even a 6-hour candlestick close above 1.63, which is the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern, would be a confirmation of a breakout. This would signal that the head and shoulders pattern is done for, and now MATIC is gonna start rallying up to 2.56, which is just below the all-time high, which comes around 2.70. Right, but this run up from here is not going to be a walk in the park. It's going to face multiple resistance levels. The major ones that I think are important to keep an eye out for is 1.87 and 2.2. Right, so plan the trade accordingly. This is a really good setup. Actually, a lot of altcoins are seeing this setup here, head and shoulders or a cup and handle pattern. But yeah, as long as MATIC stays above 1.25, there's nothing bearish about MATIC, right? Anything probably a daily close below that would be a little bearish. But then again, we have this demand zone ranging from 1.07 to 1.17. Right, even in the case of a breakdown of 1.25, which is the lower swing low of the left shoulder, you can expect a bounce off of this demand zone here, and then a continuation of the head and shoulders pattern. It wouldn't invalidate the head and shoulders pattern. That's what I'm saying. Right, and props to my colleague Ali Martinez for pointing out this pattern. You can follow him at Ali Charts, Ali_charts, and you can follow me at Mangeko with the 0 in the end. I put out a lot of technical chart stuff. Ali kind of does the dabble between on-chain and technical analysis. So make sure you give us both a follow for more articles like this. And also make sure to subscribe to FXStreet.